And now everything I do here is going to be captured into this video. So I could go through my project. I could show my code. I could go to my Visual Studio Code. I could talk about what it's doing. I could talk about the directory structure. I could go to my browser, which I haven't done this yet. Maybe you guys have already jumped ahead and copied that code in. Yes, I'm on port 5021. I forgot. By the way, that's a hyperlink. I could click there and it would open it there for me as well. 5021. Oops. Host colon 5021. So that's how you would do it. And then you would go and get your real actual implemented code. Now, Iqbar, once you've done that, once you've made it, you're going to stop. So you're going to